Hi, friends. This is Cheryl Euling, the tech coach for Tutors. I'm on part 2 of my series, Organizing Your Tutoring Business. You have an amazing tutoring business, but you're a private tutor and you have to really kind of figure out the power of marketing. We're all left wondering, how do we do that? I was in a classroom, all the kids came to me. I didn't have to worry about marketing. And what is this marketing anyway? I don't have a degree with that. What am I going to do? So mastering your marketing can be a real challenge as a solo tutor, but it doesn't really have to be. And I'm going to try to empower you to take a few simple steps by considering using a website, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, whatever. I just think that it doesn't have to be as overwhelming as it really feels. But as a former classroom teacher, I know how difficult it can be to put yourself out on social media because we're asking ourselves, well, what are they going to think of me? And am I really good enough to do this? And we are really worried what others are they're going to be looking at us and thinking, why are you even doing this? But what you need to understand is that you have real expertise. We've been told by our administration not to share too much on social media. So we've left the classroom and our best friend isn't there anymore to run down the hall and say, hey, what do you think? Should I do this? Because I've had all these same feelings. So I know exactly what you're feeling, but I'm going to encourage you to go ahead and take the plunge and give marketing a try. And here are a few things that you could do to market your business. The very first thing that I want you to know is that if you're going to do anything online, whether you're recording yourself on your phone, on your tablet, or on your computer, don't worry. It can be scary. It can be overwhelming. It's okay to feel this way. Just take a deep breath and then hit record. And you do not have to go live. I'll go live a lot of times, and sometimes there's people there and sometimes there's not. I just imagine that there's people there. You can do a few practices, and then when you're ready, you can hit the share button. But remember, I want you to keep in mind, you're talking to your perfect client. So whoever that perfect client is, that's who you want to speak to. And for most of us, that is a parent. So I want you to really get into the emotions and the feelings that parents are feeling and experiencing as their children are going through school. And what is your message to them? You need to create content that you know is going to resonate with them. Come up with a series of things that you can tell them about. Choose one platform and start there. And then do a little bit on that platform a few times per week. And suddenly you're going to feel confident and things are just going to continue to get better and better. So, where are some places that you can actually market your services? Okay. So, the one thing that I would really encourage you to do is contact your local schools. When you do that, you can ask to meet with the principal. You can ask to talk to the principal. Sometimes that's not really something that they're going to allow you to do, but reach out to them, let them know that you're just simply offering services for any students that maybe need to have a little extra help. You could even start doing it for free and just say, can I come in and offer a little extra help? I know some tutors have really had great success with that. I do not offer my services for free. When I've reached out to local schools, I've just said, I've got some learning opportunities. Would you be willing to let me share some opportunities with some of your students? Sometimes they'll say yes. Sometimes they ignore me. Sometimes they won't take my phone calls. Sometimes they don't respond to emails. And other times they're like, yes, come up here right away. We'll hand them out today. So it really depends on the school that you're reaching out to. Go and look at community boards. Go to the local malls, go to the coffee shops, put up a flyer. Try using Facebook, Instagram, X, Threads, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, websites. These are all going to be places that you can go to create content and to share it. Oh, I went a little bit too quickly there. I'm actually going to quit sharing my screen for just a second because that blinking arrow might actually be bothering somebody. But when you're creating your posts, really consider what it is that you're offering. So right now, my content is all created for my summer offerings. So everything that I'm offering for this summer is out there for parents to look at. Some of my posts are static posts. They're just there with the information below it. Some of them are reels, which are videos that I create. Could be shorts or YouTubes about it. And then my other information is on my website. I don't use Twitter a lot, but I do have a podcast. So many times when I do a recent episode, I'll publish that to the X, or formerly known as Twitter, and get that out there. So I just really want to just encourage you just to try a few things, dip your toes in the water, and see how it goes. And remember that you are a professional, that you offer a service, and that's just what you're offering. You're just offering that service for other people. I hope that this has been helpful for you. If you are looking to find me and you're not sure exactly where to go, then you can come on over to MidwestTutor.com. Tech Coach for Tutors. I offer a yearly membership to people that want to join, and I help support them with their technology and help to build their businesses. As usual, you guys make it a great day and keep the learning going.